Structure's done, and most hot tubs, wooden hot tubs, pretty much look the same. Some of the joints are different, but one place you can sort of put your mark on it really is the seats. So I'm going to try and make a bit of a unique seating area, have a bit of fun with that. As usual with this build, everything needs resawing, planing, thicknessing. None of the stock has been bought. It's all come from through and through cut timber. Before I can start work on the seating area, I've got to process all of the lumber into standard sizing. In this case, I'm going 32mm thick, so a little bit thicker than usual, and then try and make this a bit of a unique seating area. And hopefully tomorrow, be filling this tub with some water. So just need to make the supports now for the seat. Some legs which will be screwed into the unit, and then screw the seat to the legs. So just doing a test fit. Got the seat in position. I need to put the protective screen in here, and you can see that it just screws on simply to 2 of the staves. I've got my plug under there out of the way. Starting to look like a hot tub, which is good. Just build this protective barrier and we should be good to install. So had it been filled with water for 2 days, it has leaked, and it stopped leaking virtually last night. So I'm going to put the burner in and give it a try today. Okay, just going to quickly fix the seat in. Just a couple of screws in each leg, and then screw that in and we'll start filling up. So to help the process speeding up for the sealing, you can put a little bit of sawdust in, and that sort of same sawdust as the wood's made of, and that sort of helps with the sealing apparently. So I did try that. The downside of that is it's very difficult to get it out. So now on to a step, just to get in and out a little bit safer. I've done a rough template. It's not going to be tight onto the tub anyway, but this is a rough template to get me on a step. Okay, so that's the hot tub completed. I'm just waiting on the stainless steel bands. I filled it up about 3 or 4 days ago. It's holding water really well now. The initial first fill sort of seeped through the joints around the floor. It then took about 2 days to seal that, and then some seeping on the edges, and as you can see now it's pretty much dry. It's working really well. It takes about, with the smaller 30 kilowatt heater, it takes about 3 hours to get warm from freezing. It seems to hold the heat overnight. It's not particularly warm at the moment, ambient temperature, but it's always warm the next day. Once you've heated it, it probably only takes about an hour to get it up and running. Plenty of room in there for about 6 people, I'd say. Now my hot tub is exactly 6 meters on the outside round, and each of these staves are 111 millimeters. And there is 53 of them. Thanks for all the good comments on the build and the positive support, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Till the next one. See ya.